Hello, we are Spanish 1A and we're going to be singing and dancing.
Feliz Navidad.
Me llamo Eric.
Me llamo Julia. Me llamo Elliot.
Me llamo Claire.
Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año, felicidad. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Hola. We are Spanish 1B and we are going to sing and dance to Navidad Rock. Me llamo Amelia. Me llamo Ted. Me llamo Noah. Navidad, 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 quiere cantar mi corazón, se acerca necesidad, dale que se va a comenzar. Navidad, 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 una canción, bailando y cantando esta canción. En la Navidad ha llegado el momento, vamos a festejar. Es el tiempo esperado, la fiesta va a comenzar. Salta de alegría, levanta los pies, gira como un reloj. Sacude la cabeza, girando al revés, es la Navidad Rock.
We are Spanish 2 and 3 singing and dancing Rodolfo Elena. Me llamo John. Me llamo Aiden. Me llamo Leon. Me llamo Amy.
Me llamo Ayan.
Hello, me llamo Aiden. Today I'm going to play Rodolfo Elena. 字是李田怡。我的名字是张日晨。我的名字是艾米。我的名字是陈赖妮。我的名字是庄雨桐。
Hello, my name is Ingrid, and I will be performing a poem, and it's Chinese 3. 游自隐，慈母收帐闲，有自神长衣，内性密密缝，一口赤赤灰，有志言，千草心，抱着伞去推。
Hello there, my name is Courtney McLean, and I have the pleasure of being the reading and writing teacher here at South Lake Tutoring Academy. And I just wanted to take a brief moment to share with you what I do here. So I have 3 reading and writing classes. Depending on your child's grade level is how they would be placed, but there is some flexibility if you wish for them to move to another class. But generally, I teach kindergarten through 2nd on Mondays, and I teach 3rd and 4th on Tuesdays, and I also teach 5th and 6th on Tuesdays. And I create lesson plans designed around their grade level, and we do different fun reading and writing activities, and the lessons are designed to hopefully boost their skills in reading and writing, and we have a lot of fun together. They're small group classes, and we always have a lot of fun. So please look into signing your child up for reading and writing if you are interested. I also offer private tutoring as well. So if you wanted that more one-on-one attention, if you are looking into test preparation for any of the COGAT tests that they take to get into the Quest program, I offer that along with other types of test prep. Or if your child just needs any assistance in any area of reading or writing, or also math too, or other subjects, I'd be more than willing to talk to you about private tutoring. And the last thing I want to tell you about is a new class that we are going to be offering, actually 3 new classes that are going to be offered on the weekends on Zoom, because that's easier for us to do on the weekends. But I am going to be offering some online book clubs. So I have 3 books that I will assign to your child depending on their grade. For kindergarten through 2nd, we're going to be reading Kate DiCamillo's Mercy Watson to the Rescue. For the 3rd and 4th graders, we're going to be reading The One and Only Ivan. And for the 5th and 6th graders, we're going to be reading the first Land of Stories, which is called The Wishing Spell. These are all wonderful books, and I will have chapter assignments each week for them to read on their own or with your assistance. And then we will come together on some designated Saturdays on Zoom to talk about what they've read for the week. And I thought this would be such a fun way to get your child reading and also get them engaged and talking about books and what they read. So I hope that you will take interest and sign up for our book clubs. Again, those are going to be some Saturdays on Zoom throughout the semester starting in January. And you can look on our website for all that information about signing up. So thank you so much for your time and for sharing your kids with us. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you so much.